Usually not the type to keep them waiting. Usually like to love and leave them fast. Something that you're doing got me thinking I'ma take my foot up off the gas. She said, hey, I like where this is going, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Been waiting all day to get you in this moment, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, alright, alright. So let's just take it slow, slow motion. All day, all day, all day. All night, all night, all night. Yeah, I'ma take it slow, slow motion. Gotta buy a bottle, just someone to spend a little time. Baby, I can't promise I'll still be here by tomorrow, but I can give you all of me tonight. She said, hey, I like where this is going, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Been waiting all day to get you in this moment, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, alright, alright. So let's just take it slow, slow motion. All day, all day, all day. All night, all night, all night. Yeah, I'ma take it slow, slow motion.
This dance is called slow motion, choreographed by Grace David, Ray Verdonk, and Jeff Kams. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improve-level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward, point to the side, half turn right, sailor step facing 6, walk forward, left, right, anchor step, behind, recover, back. Section 2, right foot, rock back, recover, forward, pivot half turn left, facing 12, quarter turn left, large step. Side, drag your left, facing 9, behind, side, cross. Section 3, right foot, side rock, recover, cross, shuffle. Quarter turn right, back, side, facing 12, left foot, cross, shuffle. Last section, right foot, side, hold, both side rock, recover, quarter turn left, facing 9, right foot, step, lock, step, pretty walks, left, right. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 4. You will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 4 with count starts facing 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Replace count 1 with snapping your fingers. 1, 2, This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.